Hi, this is from Tenet Tech. In this video, we will show you how to create a digital signage using Raspberry Pi. Here we are using Screenly as the digital signage solution for Raspberry Pi. Earlier, we used to connect PC with displays for digital signage. Now, Raspberry Pi with Screenly had made it easy and cheaper for digital signage solutions. Let us see how it works. For preparing digital signage display, first we have to install the Screenly package. The installation procedure is mentioned in the below link. Once the Screenly installation is completed, power on the Raspberry Pi board. Once the board starts booting, the main Screenly window appears on the display. This is the main Screenly window. This window consists of IP address and port number. By using this IP address on your web browser, you can manage the assets for Screenly. To manage the content of Screenly, use the IP address on the main Screenly window on a different PC browser. Once you type that IP address, you will get the Screenly manage asset. So first we will add an asset. We will give a name to that asset. To include an image, we will use the Dropbox URL. Copy that URL and paste it on the asset. And give resource type as image. Now the image has been added. Now we will schedule the asset. Here we can schedule the image what we have added for what duration it has to display. We are scheduling it for 10 seconds. So it has been scheduled right now. Next we can view the playlist, the assets what we have created, and we can edit those assets, those durations, everything here. Now let us see these images on the digital signage board. Now I have created 3 assets of images which will be displayed on the digital signage board. As you can see, 3 images are displaying right now. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.